In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import profiles in Cursor AI quickly and easily. This is a really useful feature if you want to bring in saved settings, workspace preferences, or a profile setup from another file and use it inside Cursor without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're inside the main interface, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This opens the main menu where you can find important app settings and account options. From the File menu, click Preferences. This is where Cursor keeps its customization and configuration controls. After that, look for Profile and click it. Inside the Profile section, click Profiles to open the Profile Management area. Here you'll see options for creating or managing profiles in Cursor AI. Next, click the small down arrow button next to New Profile. This opens a drop-down menu with additional profile actions. From that menu, click Import Profile. This tells Cursor that you want to bring in an existing profile file instead of making a brand new one manually. Now a file picker window will appear. Click Select File, then browse your computer and choose the profile file you want to import. Make sure you select the correct file so your settings import properly. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Cursor AI will then begin importing the profile into your app. After the process finishes, your imported profile should be available and ready to use. That's it. You've successfully imported a profile in Cursor AI. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.